Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to watch Formula 1 or F1 on Discord. Okay, now first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your browser, then search for Formula 1 on Discord. Then you want to choose any one of these two options right here, Formula 1, this option with this logo. I will show you this logo right here. Then click on accept as the zone. This is my name on Discord. And now here you can watch the live for Formula 1 if you would like. Or you can simply go to the second option, which is this one, then click on accept also. Then they will ask you to customize your experience. Just choose any option that you want. Choose your country or where are you from. Choose what do you want actually to have as features. Let's say F1 stream, for example, and F1 esports, F1 video. Then click on next, and F1 live and league. Then which server features do you want? Server updates, server news, streams, and server activities. I'm going to click on next, then click on finish and apply or accept the rules. After that, you can have here all the channels on the left side and you can watch the stream as you want. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.